So what you can also do inside of Adobe Camera RAW is work around with geometry adjustments. So to do that, over here you can see that I already have the picture opened up, and over here on the right hand side you can see that geometry is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then you can see that right now nothing is there. But if I were to go around onto apply balance right here, then you can see that it balances out the image right here just like this. By taking this horizon as a sample. So you can see that it auto applies the balance. Then you can also go around and apply level correction right here. Only apply the level correction and so forth right here, and work around with different options right here just like this. But what you can also do is you can go around and constrain out the crop right here, and then change around the vertical adjustment as you like, as you can see right here just like this. Or you can go around and then disable this right here to not go around with crop. But if you were to constrain the crop, then it'll simply go around and crop out the thing so that you don't see the edges, which is what I like. So you can see that you can go around, change around the vertical, the horizontal adjustment as well, and then you can work around with the rotation adjustment as well. Then you can go around, change around the aspect ratio as you can see right here, and you can also go around and work around with scale adjustment as you can see right here. Then you got the offset over here as well in the offset X and offset Y as you can see just like this, and that is what you have. And that is how you can work around with geometry constant right here. And as you go around with other options right here, you can see that everything resets and you can simply go around and change everything out again as you like. And that is how you can work around with geometry adjustment options inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.